right now. I'm currently in the suburbs, back at home to celebrate Chinese New Year. And we had to go in today to the office. So my sister and I were in my mom's car driving to Philadelphia.
You're not even there yet.
Fly, eagles, fly. Hockey, hockey. Yeah, this is so hilarious. I'm filming, you're filming. You're filming, you filming. We're in the city now. It's right there, I see it. Yeah. We should have a space because I've never been to the office this early.
Me either. I've never been to the office this early.
Just parked the car, so we're gonna be going up the elevator to the main street so we can go to our office. Park like that. Baby! Actually, we go up the steps, it's not that much. So nice. I think the early bird rate was $18, so that's really good. Our usual spot was full again. Who the fuck is early? Why is everybody earlier than me? So nice outside, and it's so close to our office. Hey, can we jaywalk? Go, 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 go. Oh my god, we're here. Is that nice shit? Yo! It's so bad. Sister is fixing her hair. Is it better? Oh, static. Since I have a lot of time right now, I'm gonna braid my hair up because it's really, really messy. I'm gonna do a quick OOTD. Oh, it doesn't work! No! I had to get a temporary pass because my badge is not working. Because I keep choosing shoes that mess up my feet. So we're here again. It is now 12 something and we're gonna go on our lunch break. It's actually not that cold outside, so I decided to just wear my cardigan. Sun's out and the weather is nice. And we're gonna get pho for lunch.
Hi,
oh my god, I take it back. It's really cold.
You know what I got?
You never know.
No, like what was it? I said it better. Look how. What time do you want?
We're done with lunch. Now we gotta go back, but I need to go buy a Diet Coke, so let's go do that. Oh my god, the wind messed up my hair so much. And grab a diet for me. Thanks. 有点不敢说话耶。Yeah, we just got off work and we're gonna go back home. But first, we need to go to the parking lot to grab our car. So we got our car and I am going to be driving back. It looks like the traffic might be a little bad, not terrible. It's like a 40-minute drive, but this morning was only like what, 28?
28.
Yeah, because we left so early in the morning there wasn't any traffic, but now because it's kind of rush hour, we're gonna be taking a little bit longer to get home than usual. I'm so tired though. Like my eyes were glued to my computer screen for like 2 hours straight. So I'm gonna take a nap when I go home. Oh, you're filming me? Gosh. I wasn't even ready. I road rage.
What do you got?
What are you cooking? What are you cooking?
Cooking 蚂蚁上树.
Okay. Today's dinner we have kimchi, drumsticks, 蚂蚁上树.
Squash with
Yeah. So we just finished eating dinner and it's my turn to wash dishes, so
Hello,
wash
my
dishes.
name is Ava, and this is my sister, Amy. Sister, anyway, so nice to meet you. I'm Ava, the smallest and nicest. So I'm in the one, just like my Amy did.
It has been such a long day today because it started at like 6 a.m. So I'm just gonna take off my makeup and do my night routine and go to bed early because it'd be really tiring today. This is my favorite cleansing balm, but I need to buy a new one because it's on its last home stretch. This is probably good for like 2 more uses. I hate running out of things, but also that just means this is a really good product, so I'm glad I kind of hit bottom. Now I'm gonna double cleanse. This is my favorite face wash. I feel like it cleans really well but doesn't leave my face feeling dry, which is always a hard thing for me to find in a cleanser. One, they either are very gentle but I don't feel clean afterwards, or they're very, very strong and I feel clean but they strip my face. So this one I really recommend. And then to finish off, I use my La Roche-Posay Cicaplast. I've been using this recently because my skin has been super dry. So instead of my regular routine, I'll be using this. So I'm finished with my night routine and I'm here with Kiwi. I'm gonna be brushing her teeth soon and I'll be ending the vlog here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this vlog again and hope you guys have a good night.